Welcome. So, in this section, we will talk about CSI and NET examination. So, you already know the eligibility for NET examination. The students from various background, geography background, geology background, earth sciences, atmospheric sciences, ocean sciences are eligible to apply for earth science examination. Now, you can apply for NET as well as NET and GRF. Similar to the UGC NET examination, the CSI and NET examination functions in the same way. Now, what are the key things in the syllabus? You have part A, which is common for all. Then you have part B and part C. Part C is the specialization where you would opt for geology, geophysics, meteorology, or oceanography as one of the subjects. And in part B, which is compulsory, the core papers, you would have elements from all. So you would have the earth and the earth system, surface features, interior of earth, the basics of geology, oceanography, basics of meteorology, geosciences, and applied sciences. So what is really important is to understand a right strategy to prepare for, and most importantly, the content which you are referring to should be an expert created content, because most important thing that we need to understand at this point is there is abundance of content, but when it comes to quality, you have to be really vigilant about the right content and the right practice material. So what is really important is to practice well, prepare well, and in case you have any questions or queries, you can definitely reach back to us for more information. And here is the list of topics that are part of your syllabus. So covering all these topics comprehensively is really important. So wish you all the best. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.